Have questions about your health? Well, the doctor is in. Dr. Janet Seabrook, Community HealthNet CEO and all-around health expert. Dr. Seabrook wants to help because your health matters.
All right, and good afternoon. Well, almost in a couple minutes. So we're going to have some conversation with Dr. Seabrook right now, and we're going to find out about what matters about your health with Community HealthNet. Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, Natalie. Thank you so much for being so accommodating today.
Can I put our disclaimer out there, and then you can just dive right in. The views expressed by the hosts and callers of this show are not necessarily the views of WLTH Radio Management, owner, and sponsors. And with that, tell us about August 11th.
So I'm real excited. August 11th, this has been one of our most successful partnerships and collaborations with the City of Gary. We'll host on August 11th at Railcat Stadium with the City of Gary the annual Back to School Fair. And like I said, we've been doing this for a number of years, but when the city partnered with us and asked us to move it to Railcat Stadium a few years ago, we have had just a wonderful outcome, turnout of people coming, typically anywhere from 1,200 to 1,700 participants come out. There's back to school physicals, backpacks filled with all kind of goodies, there's food, there's singing, there's dancing. It's just a lot of fun. And then of course there's always those immunizations that people need to get back into school, and that's really what I wanted to focus on today when we delve into our conversation. But I really want to make sure that people know that August 11th, James, is it from 9 to 2?
Yes.
9 to 2, Railcats Stadium. Community HealthNet and the City of Gary will sponsor and co-host the annual citywide back to school health fair event.
All right. Okay.
And so we're real excited about that, if you can't tell by me. And then for those who aren't able to come on August 11th and attend that back to school event and to get their immunizations, Community HealthNet is throughout the rest of the year actually, and we do this all the time. Our school physicals, our school and sports physicals are $10 if you have them at any of our physical locations. In Gary, Hammond, and Maryville, we're doing a special $10 back to school sports physicals on those sites. But however, at Railcats, no charge, and we're going to try to do about 100. We have 4 of our doctors that have volunteered, medical assistants and staff that'll be there. The health department will be doing the immunizations at this activity on August 11th. But throughout the year at Community HealthNet, school and sports physicals are $10, and we participate in the VFC program, Vaccines for Children, with the state. So vaccines for eligible children are no charge. And so those are some activities for the month of August. We have August, I want to make sure I get the dates right, so I'm going to have to pull up my calendar right quick. National Health Center Week is always the second week in August, second full week. So August 12th through the 18th is National Health Center Week. And we have a host of activities at our health center, so I'm going to refer everybody to our Facebook page and our website, communityhealthnet-indiana.org, to get information about the activities that will go on at our various sites during the week of August 12th through the 18th, which is National Health Center Week. And that's across the United States. There are activities at all of the health centers across the United States to highlight and spotlight the work that community health centers do to help people have a medical home, create a medical home for people. And then September 29th is our annual breast cancer walk. And that's the last Saturday in September. There are 5 Saturdays in September. So mark your calendars for September 29th. Marquette between the Aquatorium and the Pavilion. There's that shelter. I think it's shelter number 5. And that's where we start the walk. It's a 5K walk, and this will be our 20th. We've been doing this for 20 years. walking around Marquette and raising money for breast cancer awareness.
You blew it. You see it between the aquatorium and I thought I didn't have to walk that far, so now I got to go all the way around the park.
Yeah, and one of the laps is twice. 5K, that's 3.2 miles. You could do it. You could do it. It's easy. It's an easy walk, especially when you're with friends and family and you're talking and chatting. It's because it's a walk. You're just enjoying your day, and the scenery typically is so beautiful. Walking along the lake, it's just gorgeous. And then the aquatorium and Marquette in the background with the lagoon. You won't even know that you walked. You won't even know that you walked 3.2 miles.
All righty. Well, that's awesome. And it starts at what time now?
So the breast cancer walk registration starts at 8. The walk starts at 9.
Okay.
Registration at 9. The walk at 10.
Oh, James is correcting me. I'm sorry. Registration at 9. The walk is at 10.
Okay. Thank you, James. I need that little cushion. Okay.
You would think after 20 years I would remember the time that we've been doing this.
That's because we get out there at 8.
Yeah, we get out there at 8. I'm not asking everybody else to come out at 8 to set up. So registration 9, the walk is at 10. And it doesn't take long at all. Like I said, it's just a fellowship and enjoying the scenery and talking with your family members and friends that come out to share the day with you.
Wow. Yeah, sounds like a great opportunity just to have some fun. And it's healthy fun.
And it's not all of your day either, because we're usually done by 11:30. Everybody's packing up and they're on their way home or to whatever other activities they have or errands they have to run. So it's not like it's an all day long and takes up your whole Saturday. It doesn't do that. You can still get to the grocery store, you can still go run your errands or anything that you have to do in the afternoon. So don't use that as an excuse.
So do we have advanced registration and we can go on the site?
You can go on our website. There is advanced registration. Go to our Facebook page first for more details, and then you can go to our website and there is advanced registration. Individual walkers are $20, but if you get a team of 10, it's $15 a person.
Oh, wow.
$150, your team of 10 can walk together.
That's great. That's awesome.
So we're looking at churches, sororities, fraternities, friends, family, the whole 9 yards. We have one church that has come out almost every year. They have not missed.
Yeah, so what's the competition? How many people do we bring, or do you know?
We've had as many. We've had one group that has brought as many as 30 or 40 walkers.
Wow, that's great. That's outstanding. Okay. This is WLTH AM 1370, Gary, Indiana, and this is a different edition. We're having a conversation with Dr. Seabrook because August is National Immunization Month, and they have several activities that are coming up, particularly one big event. And as your children go back to school, she's giving us some very good information.
Railcat Stadium, August 11th, 9 to 2 p.m. Like I said, the City of Gary and Community HealthNet are in partnership to put on this citywide back-to-school event. There'll be backpacks, school and sports physicals will be given, vaccinations by the City of Gary Health Department, food, prizes, just a lot of fun for Saturday, August 11th, 9 to 2 p.m.
And will they be giving the human papilloma vaccination there that day as well?
It will be available.
Okay.
All of the state vaccines will be available.
Your help matters to community health. That's awesome. That's awesome. Well, we certainly want to thank you for spending this time.
Well, thank you again, Natalie, for being so patient with me today.
Well, I appreciate you coming.
You are a saint. You are an angel. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you. I really appreciate you coming, and just to let you know that it was important. It's very, very important that we stay on top of our health, because we keep talking about that wheel and all of those things, and we got to keep people healthy. We got to do better about that.
Yes, we do.
All right. So with that, I'm going to turn you back over to automation until the 2 to 5 drive with Tommy and Latrice. But everybody enjoy. Really want to thank, I just can't appreciate Dr. Seabrook and Community Health Net enough for giving us this information about how our health matters. And it's a community. You talk about that all the time. It's a community. So thank you so much. But everyone have a great day. WLTH AM 1370 in Gary, Indiana. And we're also broadcasting, simulcasting live 92.7. So listen to us on the FM side as well. Everyone have a great day.
Have questions about your health? Well, the doctor is in. Join Community HealthNet CEO and all-around health expert, Dr. Janet Seabrook, every fourth Wednesday on WLTH 1370 AM. Don't be shy. Call in and ask your questions. Dr. Seabrook wants to help because your health matters.